we all know that every single community in Australia needs you. You, pharmacy owners. We are making difference. Always remember that.
We can hit the road, got room in the backseat. Boys from the back street, come so far just singing over rap beats. See you on the way up, only looking down.
As we said in the introduction, I'm the New South Wales State Lead for the Royal Australian College of General Practitioners, specific interest group in obesity management. And in that role, I advocate for, support the New South Wales GPs to upskill and support each other when it comes to weight management.
I'm taking actions, you guys took actions, and that fuels me to do everything that we're doing. When you have determination, you will do the action.
Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.
So you take all my knowledge today, put it in your pharmacy, talk with your partner, whatever partner, whoever that partner is, and then execute this strategy for your own good.
Truth is told, feels like letting go. 'Cause I love this life. Yeah, it feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. 'Cause I love this life. And the future's bright.
So I initially started in discounting pharmacy, and I found that to be just a small portion of what I really wanted everything to be in my career.
Thank you to the amazing community that each of us actually take care of on a daily basis. Day in, day out, we're there for, not for us, I think we're there for our community more than anything else.
$2.8 million and your pharmacy is only worth $2.2 million, they know they can offer you very little money because you're probably under financial pressure to sell the thing. So take your balance sheet and never give it to anybody. You only give them your P&L. I see so many people sit there first time saying, oh, it's okay. You know, 14.5%, but that 1% over $3.6 million is a chunk of money that you'll never get back.
It's a really standard process to get VPA and Department of Health approval. You need to know the process, what you're doing, but it's not complex. The main ones I want to talk about are the accounts. We want to know that the accounts have been prepared consistent with Australian accounting standards, and that the accounts that have been prepared for the last 3 years have been prepared on a consistent basis.
In our community, we don't want to say no to any patients. We want all our pharmacists to be, trained to the same level, that when a patient walks through our doors, we are ready with the service for them that they need.
Keep being pharmacist. You can be an owner, you can be a pharmacist in charge, you can be a manager, but keep coming to the pharmacy every morning. There is a nice challenge, and there is always a thank you is going to come in a letter, in a card, in an email, in any way, but that will keep us moving. So keep moving, keep being pharmacists, keep innovating, and keep coming next year.
A product of Locumago.